Guys, welcome back to our channel. So first of all, let's go over what we discussed in the weekly analysis. Second, we'll also talk कि निकी ने क्या बात किया कल and it worked out perfectly today. Okay, so we'll talk about both the things. Now, first thing, okay, before we start, okay, I would remind you to hit the like button if our views help you make a little money. Okay, and please do this hitting the like button because this helps us grow our channel. That's why we request you to do this every day. Okay, so first thing, let's start with the weekly candle. So last week's candle, what do you see? So basic thing we had that okay, these OTMs we have to target. Okay, any of these OTMs. Cool. This is what was a target. So far, okay, still I have the same view for tomorrow. I think these OTM calls should go to zero. Okay, but looking at the strength in the market, okay, ऐसे लग रहा है कि not tomorrow maybe, but this candle's high will be taken out inside this week itself. So maybe Thursday or Friday. Okay. So one thing which will happen is let's say we had a bearish view and if this candle closes above this level, okay, then we'll switch to a bullish view again. Okay, that is what we are going to do. We are going to keep changing as per the market is changing. Okay, in fact, you might think if we are saying bearish and the market is going up, or if you're saying bullish, the market is coming down, whatever. But this week we made too good money. Okay, so we actually want the market to move somewhere. I don't want it to trade like this. I need a zigzag, it should go down and it should go up like this sort of thing. So this is very good. I welcome all this. If you want to move a lot more, please do. It's superb for us. Okay. So as of now, first thing we are discussing, the call should go to zero as per me. Okay. And the puts also should go to zero. These puts now. So which puts am I talking about? 5500 and below puts should go to zero. Now, if you're aggressive, okay, if you're aggressive, you can come up to 600 puts also. Okay, 5600 and so on. But if you're mediocre risk kind of guys, try to stay in 5400. But I don't know what positions you guys might have taken. So mediocre risk people should be 5400 puts and around 5800, 51800 or 51900 calls. This seems like a pretty easy thing to gobble up. Okay, so simple strategy. Niche ke puts we want, upar ka call we want. Okay, if the market is sideways tomorrow, we are going to make good money. Okay, now let's draw support resistance on the daily time frame. See this 4 days, they had the same lows, right? So iske niche mein when we got this red candle, we basically got a bearish view, okay, and Nikki drew this trend line for all of you. I missed this, so she got key maybe the market can take a trend line support here. Okay, that's how we have traded. But according to me, okay, what was going to happen, we broke down. Okay, this is a support, 1 2 3. Okay, so this is support will turn into a resistance. Okay, so whenever the market goes up, it has to come down. Okay, simple. So I'll show you in 15-minute time frame, but it did come down from there. So that's a good thing for us. Okay, so this resistance was respected. Now I'll talk to you in the 15-minute time frames. See, this is a support level, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then here it has broken down. Correct, support has broken down. Now where did the market come down from? Let's draw a line there. So this is a resistance for us and even the current day's candle. So this is the first time and the second time. We have already tested that resistance 2 times now. And third time, market has sold off. Okay, so first thing I'm going to tell you for tomorrow. See, I've told you now 51800 call I think should go to zero. But what am I going to do? If this is crossed, okay, with the strong candle tomorrow, this resistance, my bet, I will take off that bet. Because if this happens, if resistance breaks, now I know that I have to gobble these kinds of puts up. Okay, so current day's low and something like that. So 51,000 puts or something like that, I'm going to start targeting them. ये कब बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको? अगर ये resistance टूट जाता है ना, तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Okay. Apart from that, I think that those calls will easily go to zero. But the only worry for us can be either two things: either it breaks intraday in this, or either the gap up is too big. Okay. So we'll have to watch the gift Nifty at night. Okay, कि कितना ऊपर है वो, and then we might try to see कि if it's a lot of gap up, मतलब, so then how it reacts. We'll try to see that and then try to play tomorrow. Very simple. I'll make it easy for you. This is a resistance for us. Resistance is 51,350. Cool. This is first touch, 2 touch and 3 touch. 3 touches done. Now इसके ऊपर we need a candle to become bullish. Now if you want a trending expiry tomorrow, best would be if we close above this and start to move up. Okay. Now let me not only give you a bullish view, because let's say for example we spoke bearish, but the market made a bullish pattern and went up. Okay. So this is here we became bullish also. So let me talk some bearish things also. Okay. So if tomorrow's bearish, what can the bearishness be where till? So what we've seen this V-shape movement. Okay, so for now, what are we seeing? We are seeing these OTM puts will go to zero, and these OTM calls will go to zero. That's the bias, right? Now, isme anything can happen. Now, if the down move comes, it may even break today's low, okay, and then reverse and then try to attack the resistance. I'm talking a bearish scenario, okay? So even if today's low breaks, tomorrow I don't think it's going to go and break that Monday and Tuesday's lows. Cool? That's too far away from now. So still, if you see the larger picture, to play bullish, we have to wait for this resistance of 51,300 to be taken out. Okay, the market is stuck in this range. Until it's in this range, I think strangles are very good. Okay, and if the range breaks, then we can only be in put selling positions. So why was today easy for us? See, we got this like good higher high move throughout the day, right? Okay, so whenever you get such things, so your put bias has to be a lot more than your call like sells. Okay, for example, you're selling a call for, let's say, 20 rupees. So you can try to keep the put at 40. Okay, this way you're collecting your 60 points, and the strangles had superb decay today. Okay, in the morning, especially when the market came down, the calls also decayed a lot and puts also decayed at the opening. So that's fantastic. Okay, so don't miss out. So please write this logic down. जब भी two-way movement हो गया, strangle was rewarded the next day. Write this down. Okay, so for tomorrow we are getting a bullish kind of an expiry. We are going and closing near the top. Okay, so we are expecting, so first thing, if we open flat, okay, if we open flat, it is best if we consolidate in this upper 1/3 region of this resistance. Okay, if it consolidates and then breaks out, this is the perfect thing for us. Okay, flat khul ke if it tries to goes up. Okay, second, if it opens gap down, okay, below this low, okay, then we can expect like a down move, and when the current candle's high is crossed, we can expect an up. And third, okay, what may happen, we may gap up itself, like let's say we can gap up somewhere in this region, retest the previous day's high and then go up. Something like this may happen. So like it depends tomorrow, like the opening pay, it depends what I'm going to do. If it opens flat, okay, I'm going to try to be very conservative tomorrow, okay, because there was damn good decay in strangles today as well. So let's see tomorrow if there's a spike or not. Okay, so we've discussed the game plan, and we've discussed which OTMs and puts and calls I think should go to zero, and we also discussed how we tackled like a bearish move के बाद. Basically the market moves, okay, it's damn good. I need the market to move. If it's sideways, no, like if the market is like this, it's not good for the kind of trading me and Nikki do. Cool, so let's discuss Nifty. See, Nifty, just one thing I'm going to tell you on the daily chart. Okay, so this was a support for us because after that, this breakdown we got, and then we've gone down. Okay, and now we are going to come here and like basically we are giving respect to this resistance now. Okay, so 1 time and 2 time here. Now, if the market crosses this last 2-3 days ka resistance and closes above this, even in Nifty, I think we can forget the down move then and we can focus on the up move. Okay, and even if you've changed your opinion, don't listen to anyone on social media. Okay, because they can just tweet, but it is really difficult to trade, and so many good traders, they keep changing their views. Okay, they might give you a bearish view, they might trade bullish the next day due to some pattern. Okay, so no one's going to stick to their views through any. For example, I've like said, like I expect calls to go to zero. It doesn't mean I'm just sitting throughout this up move and not doing anything, not selling a single put. So Nifty, keep in mind this resistance, the last 2-3 days high, we need a closing above that. We can safely assume that these lows will go to zero in the week then. So if this 25,200 level is crossed on the upside, I don't know the premiums in Nifty, but I would expect 24,900 and 24,800, 700 puts to go to zero then. If the premiums are there, then I would like to sell them. If the premiums are not there, then I would like just skip it. Because this logic, resistance, support वगैरह के breaks, we get too many times in a year. So it's okay even if I miss it. And if the market comes down, I'm expecting some sort of a support at the current day low. Okay, because the market took a resistance here earlier and today a support there. Okay, so I'm expecting some sort of a support at this point. Cool. And the daily chart, okay, this previous all-time high level, okay, it is very important we close above this level. Okay, we need a closing above this level very quickly. Naito, what is going to happen if we don't manage to go up, then again this down move will continue. Okay, so we need it to close above this quickly. So that's it, I think, for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. If I missed out on anything or if I didn't cover anything, let me know that as well. Okay, and for option buyers particularly, if the resistance is crossed tomorrow in Bank Nifty or Nifty, you can try like your hand in buying calls, okay, for tomorrow, because especially the call premiums are also going to be very low and they might spike quite a lot if the a trending move comes. Okay, so that's all I have for the option buyers, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.